Title: The Evolution of Business Travel, Embracing the Updated Experience. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to At Youngest Car. I'm young Oscar, and today we're embarking on an exciting journey through the world of business travel. As the landscape continues to evolve, business trips have taken on a whole new dimension. In this extended video, we'll delve deep into the various facets of the updated business travel experience, from trends to technology, packing to productivity. So, get ready for an insightful ride. And don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe button. PLS subscribe to my Northeast L. Segment 1: The Changing Landscape of Business Travel. The realm of business travel has been redefined in recent times, driven by technological innovations, shifting work dynamics, and an increasing emphasis on sustainable practices. Virtual meetings have become a staple, allowing us to connect with clients and colleagues across the globe. However, the power of in-person interactions remains unparalleled when it comes to building trust and rapport. And let's not forget the eco-conscious movement in business travel. From electric vehicles to high-speed rail options, companies are taking steps to reduce their carbon footprint while jet-setting. Segment 2: The Tech Revolution, Staying Connected on the Go. In this era of connectivity, staying in touch is easier than ever. Whether it's keeping up with emails on the plane or participating in virtual meetings while waiting for your coffee, tech has got you covered. Imagine donning a virtual reality headset to attend a meeting halfway around the world, with the ability to interact in a shared digital space. The boundaries of traditional boardrooms are expanding. Language barriers are no match for augmented reality translation apps. These tools instantly translate foreign languages, opening up a world of possibilities for cross-cultural communication. Segment 3: Mastering the Art of Packing and Jet Lag. Packing efficiently is key to a successful business trip. From versatile clothing choices to utilizing space-saving packing techniques, a well-organized suitcase can significantly impact your travel experience. Jet lag can wreak havoc on your productivity. Combat it by establishing a consistent sleep schedule, hydrating, and using strategic lighting techniques to help regulate your body's internal clock. Segment 4: Maximizing Productivity and Well-Being. Business trips aren't just about meetings and presentations. Maintaining productivity and well-being are equally crucial. Whether you're working from a hotel room or a co-working space, setting boundaries and finding your optimal work rhythm is essential. Taking care of your well-being is a priority on the road. Incorporating physical activities, meditation, and healthy eating habits can help you stay energized and focused during your trip. Segment 5: The Future of Business Travel, Beyond Horizons. Now, let's fast forward to the future of business travel. Imagine hopping on an autonomous flying taxi to your next meeting or utilizing Hyperloop networks for rapid intercity travel. And for those with an adventurous spirit, space travel could be a reality sooner than you think. The future of business travel is inclusive and diverse, embracing cultural sensitivity and building connections with professionals from around the world will enrich the global business landscape. Segment 6: Real Stories from Modern Business Travelers. Now, let's hear from real business travelers who have navigated the updated business travel landscape. They'll share their personal stories, insights, and tips for making the most out of their journeys. Conclusion: Embrace the adventure. As we conclude this extended exploration, remember that business travel is a dynamic adventure. It's a blend of innovation, connection, and personal growth. Whether you're a seasoned business traveler or just embarking on your first trip, embrace the evolving landscape and seize every opportunity that comes your way. The world is your boardroom, and every journey is a chance to learn, expand your horizons, and create lasting memories. Thank you for joining me on this in-depth exploration of the updated business travel experience. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our future content. Safe travels! And until next time, PLS subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching Young Oscar Tips.